What up, guys? This is Crypto Solu Hub bringing you daily crypto updates with Max personality. So today I'm going to be introducing us to the Mango network testnet. Actually, this testnet has been on for some days now. Actually, when they started, they said it was to last for 45 days, but it's remaining some days before the closure of this testnet. So the essence of this is to guide, especially those of us who have not started, who are still complaining, because I put out a tweet and some persons we are complaining that they didn't really understand the explanation. So that's why I'm doing this video so that it can guide you on how to participate. This is one of the airdrops of 2025. I am very bullish in, even though I didn't start quite early, but I'm very, very enthusiastic. I look forward to beautiful things coming out of this very airdrop. So if you haven't done that, if you haven't participated, if you haven't joined, please make sure that after watching this video, you go right ahead and follow the directives I'll be giving, follow the links I'll be dropping so that you can join in and position yourself for the incoming airdrop. All right, so before you proceed, there are basically two things you need. First of all, you need to have your wallet. You need to have your EVM wallet. Could be MetaMask, could be Backpack, could be Phantom. You just need to have an EVM wallet. And then the second thing you need is I need to have installed the Mango wallet extension on your browser. Even if you're not using PC, if you're not using a laptop, if you don't have a laptop, that is not a problem because there's also alternative for those who are using the mobile device. All you have to do is just go to Play Store or go to Apple Store and download Mrs. Browser, MISEX, Mrs. Browser. That is basically the browser for Web3 enthusiasts. So make sure that if you don't have a PC, that shouldn't limit you. Go right ahead and download Mrs. Browser. One of the advantages of this Mrs. Browser is that it almost does the same thing that a PC does, right? In the sense that it gives you this opportunity to download the Chrome extension of whatever DApp, whatever platform it is you're interacting with. Okay, so with that out of the way, so right here, I'm not just gonna start from the Cradle. So I've already downloaded. If I click on my extensions here, you can see these are the extensions I have. So I have my Mango wallet extension already downloaded here. But don't worry, if you're still skeptical, you don't know how to go about that. I'm gonna be leaving the link. I'll be leaving the link at the description section of this video so that you can from there go right ahead and download this Mango wallet extension on your mobile, either your PC or your mobile phone, whichever one it is you're using to participate in this airdrop. So once you do that, you know how wallet works. So you're gonna get your seed phrase, that 12 mnemonic phrase that you can always use to recover your wallet whenever you lose it or whenever you misplace it. So you get it, write down those two words, right? Make sure you keep them in a safe place because you'll be needing them subsequently in case anything happens and then you don't have access to your mobile device or to your PC. So you write out those key phrases and keep them in a safe place. So once that is done, you confirm everything, confirm your registration, and the next thing is for you to get to this very point now, this task.testnet.mangonetwork.io. This is where they are carrying out this very testnet. So once you're done with that, a place is going to open. Okay, a place is going to open for you where, okay, please bind first. I need to connect my wallet. So a place is going to open for you. An interface is going to open for you. In that interface, you'll be required to bind your social media account. You need to bind your Telegram. You need to bind your X, that's your Twitter, and then you need to bind your Discord. So these things are very necessary. Once you do that, then you connect your wallet. Look at that. So click there, connect Mango wallet. It's coming up very soon. Right, to be, yeah, see that. I'm connecting to my Mango wallet. So I'm going to unlock. Of course, it's passworded. So I'm going to input my password to unlock my Mango wallet. Sign in. Beautiful. I'm in already. I've signed in. This is my wallet address. So once that is done, you see, okay, this is the place I'm talking about. So, okay, what it means is that before you need to first of all bind your wallet address. So once you've successfully bound it, the next place is that you're going to get to this place. This is where you'll be required to input your social media account. bind your Twitter account and follow blah, blah, blah. So you bind your Twitter account and make sure you follow Mango on Twitter, bind your Discord, join the Discord community, join the Telegram community. And after that is done, you'll be required to impute an invite code. Without that invite code, you'll be granted access. So you can see here, this is the code of the person that invited me. So I'm going to be leaving the link and also the invite code at the description section of this video. So please make sure you follow that link, make sure you follow that directive. So once that is done, you're going to check here, I've read and understood the user agreement. Maybe you will still want to read it further. You can just click on this user agreement and read further, then check it. Once that is done, click on join now. Once you click on join now, this is the next place it's going to come to. It's going to come to this event. So what it means is that every day you are required to perform these 5 tasks. These are the 5 tasks you're required to perform every day. And each of them comes with their own respective points. Each of them comes with their own respective points. But before you do that, make sure that before you start performing these tasks, click on sign in now. So this is more like you registering your presence, right? You showing that you showed up, you signaling that you were present for the days, like taking an attendance. So you're going to sign in now. You can see for the month of February, I've never missed a day. So I've always continuously performed this task. That's why you're seeing this golden mango signs here. Yeah. So it shows that for this month of February, I've never missed a day. So you're going to sign in. Once you sign in, your Mango wallet is going to come up. Then you just have to approve it. I'm waiting for it to load up. It's coming. See, approve. Once you approve it, it will tell you that sign-in successful. In other words, it's been marked. You see that sign in successfully. It be marked that you were present that day, like you were in attendance that day. That's what it means. That's what that thing actually means. So, like I said, these are the 5 tasks you're expected to perform every day. Make sure you do not miss it. Every 24 hours, you're expected to perform this task. So, you don't need to follow any chronological order. You don't need to follow a particular pattern or any way. Anyone you want to, you can start from anywhere. But then, for the purpose of this video, let's start with the first one, which is the Mango swap. What are we expected to do with this Mango swap? We're expected to swap Mango to USDT, then exchange USDT back to MAI, and then use the obtained MAI to exchange for USDT. Then after you must have done that, you come back and click on this submit. But the way I do it, just to save time, right? Because time is very important. So I just go right ahead and click on this submit. Even without performing this task, I go right ahead and click on this submit. When I'm done with that, I now click on go to do tasks to perform those tasks. Because if I click on that submit without performing those tasks, it will not be counted. Those points wouldn't read. So I need to make sure I perform those tasks. So the first one is Mango to USDT. So Mango to USDT, yeah. So I have about 5.8 Mango here. So let me just use one Mango swap. I don't have to use everything. Yeah, don't use everything. Just use a fraction of whatever it is you have. So once you impute the value of the Mango, the equivalence in USDT is just gonna come up here. So click on submit. Click on submit and wait for it to come up. Wait for it to load up, and then once it loads up, yeah, click on approve. Approve the transaction. It's still loading. Still coming up. Beautiful. That is done. Then the next one is USDT to MAI. Swap USDT to MAI. I have about 3 USDT here. So I'm just going to use one as well. I'm just going to use one USDT for these transactions. Once I impute the one, it's going to automatically calculate its equivalence in MAI for me. Then I check that and I click on submit. Yeah, it's coming up. Give it a little time to pop up. Then I approve this transaction. I approve the swap. Beautiful. Then the next one is MAI. I swap MAI back to USDT. So I have about 1.12 MAI here. So I'm just going to take 0.2, just a fraction of it, right? So it will calculate the equivalence and then submit. Click on submit, and then I approve the transaction. That's on the Mango wallet. Beautiful. I approve it. So I have performed. Once this goes, it means that I'm successful with the first step. So what I normally do is that once I complete it, I just remove it and then go back to the next task. Remember, I said there are 5 tasks you need to perform in a day. So I come to the second task, which is the Mango bridge. What does it entail? So I'm gonna swap bridge from Mango chain to BSC chain, ETH Mango chain to ETH chain, then BSC chain to Mango chain, and ETH chain to Mango chain. So the same thing I did in the first step, I just go right ahead and click on submit, submit, submit. So there are 4 things I'm needed to do here. Once I'm done with that, I click on go to do task, then start performing those things I have been asked to do. So please pay very key attention here, because if you miss it, if you miss this, it might disturb you along the line. So first of all, here you're gonna select the network. What network am I working with first? Mango test, that's the Mango network. Then what assets do I want to bridge? I want to bridge USDT here. Then connect network. In this connect wallet now, I'm going to be connecting the Mango network. So once I click on that connect, automatically, or it already has my Mango wallet on the device. So it's automatic. My wallet address automatically pops up and then shows me the equivalence of the Mango I have here. Then underneath is the network I'm bridging to, which is the BSC test. Here I'm going to select the wallet, the chain, the wallet where I have my BSC, which is what I have it on MetaMask. So I select MetaMask. Okay, I select MetaMask and then connect. So I've joined these two together. I've joined a Mango chain and then BSC chain. I'll join them together. So this way I'm going to do the bridging. So I have about 3.3 USDT worth of USDT in Mango chain. So let me just select 0.5. 0.5 of it. I'll be bridging to USDT on BSC chain. That will give me the same equivalent, 0.5, 0.5. So I'm going to click on submit. Click on submit, then I approve the transaction. I also have a comprehensive tweet guide. So this video, I'm doing it just for those who are really not understanding the lettered explanation. So that's why I'm doing this video, right? So I have the written guide to this very thing I'm doing. So the next step is also Mango to what? Ethereum. So I select ETH test here as Ethereum, then select assets, USDT on Ethereum chain. So same 0.5, same fraction, same quantity, 0.5 of USDT on the Mango chain to ETH. That would give me the same equivalent. So I click on submit. Remember, there are 4 tasks I'm expected to perform in that second step. So I approve of this transaction. I approve of it. Approve of it. Beautiful. So the next thing there, I've already memorized this thing. So that's why I'm not bothering going back to check what am I supposed to do next. I've memorized them already. So that's why I'm able to do them. So the next thing is for me to move from BSC to Mango. So here I'm going to change the network. In other words, I'm going to change the chain. So here I have a Mango chain. I'm going to change it to what? BSC. That's BSC test. Please be careful because sometimes these two colors might confuse. This is BTC and this is BSC. They are not the same. We're only working with BSC and not BTC. Okay, so here now, I'm also going to connect to my EVM wallet. In other words, I'm going to connect to my BSC wallet. That's where I have my BSC, okay? So I do that, then I select what asset do I want to bridge. I want to bridge BNB. This BNB I want to bridge. And then you see, once I do that, automatically this one changes to Mango already. Then connect wallet, tap on it, connects to my Mango wallet address. So here I have about 1.6. So let me just bridge with 0.2 worth of BNB to Mango chain. Yeah. So that will give me the same equivalent 0.2. So I go right ahead and click on submit. So here, look at the thing that popped up, switch to BSC. So it's going to do that on its own. So if you get that message, just tap on it, click on it again. It will get the approval from here, then you switch. Okay, so I've done that success. That was a success. So the next thing is for me to move from Ethereum to Mango. So here I'm selecting what? ETH, that's Ethereum. Okay, so I have a 0.1 here. So let me just work with 0.02. That's just a little fraction. Okay, so here I click on submit. See, please switch to eTest network. I click on it again. Click on it again. See, it's not gonna, this is when it's going to switch. It's coming up. Beautiful. Confirm. See, transaction has been submitted to the chain. Beautiful. So I'm done with this very task now. So I exit it. I go back to the, see? So once the transaction has completed, it will show recorded. It will show you as it will show recorded. So these ones are still on. Once they complete, they will also show recorded. See, these two, I've already shown that I've completed them. Okay. So we've performed it. This is the third task now. Beindex, beta, DApp. No need to read this. When you get to it, you read it on your own. So we are just doing the practical aspect of what we are told to do. So here I'm going to do what? Trade AI for USDT, then USDT for AI, then click on submit, click on submit. Okay, click on submit. Then go to do task. Go to do task. Beindex, trade, blah, blah, blah. This is where they do their normal buying and selling. So this is what I'm working with, AI/USDT. I tap on it, I tap on the pair. So I'm using USDT to buy AI. So what I'm expected to do here is to buy AI with USDT and then sell AI back to USDT. That's just what I'm expected to do here. So what I often do is that I will toggle this percentage counter. Just toggle it anywhere I want. Just put it anywhere I want. It doesn't have to be 100%. It can just be anywhere. Please be very careful. When you're doing this, make sure you're selecting direct to account. If you don't select this, if you don't check this direct to account, this transaction won't be recorded. So make sure you're selecting direct to account. So I click on buy. Okay. See, I will have to approve it I will have to approve the transaction from my wallet. So I approve it. It's reading. Beautiful. Successful, operation success. You can see that. And then the next thing is for me to sell back. I do the same thing, drag it, maybe drag it to somewhere around there. Already direct to account has been selected. Then I click on sell. I click on sell. And what next? Yeah, I approve this transaction. I approve this transaction. I approve it. It's loading up. Beautiful. Successful. See, operation successful. Awesome. So I'm done with this. I delete it. Then go back to this next step now, Beindex app. This will be done differently. You're going to do them on the Beindex app, right? The last transaction we performed now was also done on Beindex, but on the DApp. This one, we are going to perform it on the app. So you're going to download this app on your phone. You're going to download the Beindex app on your phone. Don't worry, I'll be leaving the link for you to do this download, where you can download this Beindex app. I'm going to be leaving the link. So all you have to once you get there, go to the DApp section. Go to the DApp section and then click on look for the DApp, then put Mango. Once you input Mango on the DApps, on the browser section, that's on the DApp section, you're going to see Mango Testnet. Click on it, scroll down, connect your wallet, then scroll down, you see click to claim gas or something of that nature. Okay, to make it easier, after this video, just look up. The next video you're going to see will be an explanation of how to perform this next task here. Okay, so what I often do is that, knowing fully well I'm going to do this on my phone, on my mobile phone, so I just go right there and click on it, then click to claim gas. This is not going to record for me because I'm expected to perform this task on my mobile device. So this is not going to change. It will just be like this until I perform the task on my mobile device. And then finally, the next step, which is what the Discord task. So what I'm expected to do here is I'm expected to claim some Mango FAUCET on their Discord. I'm expected to claim some Mango FAUCET on their Discord. So firstly, I go right ahead and copy my Mango wallet address. I copy it, it's coming up. I copy, look at it. This is my address. So look at this copy icon here. I click on it, address copied. I've copied my address. Then I click on this submit, which is the normal thing I often do. Then go to task, go to do task. Okay, so what is going to happen now is that from here, it's going to lead me to their Discord server. Yeah, it's going to lead me to their Discord server, their Discord channel. So what I often do is that in this my laptop, I have Discord app already downloaded. So I don't often wait for this. I don't wait for it to load because sometimes it takes time. So I just go right ahead and click on the on the app here on my system, the Discord app I have on my system. Let me just know if there is a way I can share the screen so that it will also be well understood. Let me find a way to share the screen. Beautiful. Okay, so this is the Discord. I've successfully found a way around that. So this is the Discord server. This is the Mango Discord server. Please pay key attention. So I'm going to look for MGO. That's Mango Faucet. That's where I'm going to do this transaction here. So this is the Mango Faucet here. I click on it. I click on the Mango Faucet. See what I'm going to do now. Please follow me keenly. So I've already copied my Mango wallet. So I'm going to come to this I'm going to come to this communication icon. Let me move this thing to top so that, okay. See, I'm going to come to this very chat now, this message area. Then what I'm going to type is, I'm going to type at MGO. That's Mango Faucet. Once I put MGO, see, MGO hyphen faucet. So it pops up, I tap on it. Then at MGO hyphen faucet, then I paste my address. You can see that this is my Mango wallet address. I do that and then hit send. You see, I've sent it. I've sent this is what I'm just expected to do here in that Discord task. That's just the only thing I'm expected to do there. So with that out of the way, we go back to where we were. We go back to where, okay, I think let me minimize this. Okay, that's it. We've done that. Then we go back to the task area. Okay, so these are just the things these are just the things expected of you to do. So you need to do this every 24 hours. You need to come back to do this every 24 hours. If you can remember, when we started this, my score was around 1,200 and something. Now it has entered 1,310, showing that some of those tasks I performed have been marked, right? So let's quickly run through them. See, this one's completed. You can see what I was telling you was then. These ones have been completed. Then let's check the second task. Check the second. That's the Mango Bridge task. Let's see, because I always cross-check, right, to know if I made a mistake. See, the Mango Bridge task, they've all been marked, completed. And then check the next one, the Beindex Beta DApp. All right. Okay, completed. Beautiful. And then this other one, like I said, it won't be this Beindex app. It won't be completed until I go to my mobile phone and perform. You can see it hasn't been completed. I need to go to my mobile phone and perform the task. I just claim the gas. That's all. Then the Discord, I just performed it now. So I don't know if it has come because so it's still synchronizing. But I know in under 2 minutes or so, it will be shown as completed. They must have marked it. So that's basically how you go about these 5 tasks, excuse me, every day. So before we round this very video off, there are basically 2 things you need to pay key attention to. The 2 things is that firstly, you need some Ethereum faucets. Yes, you need some ETH Sequoia. We call it ETH Sequoia, some Ethereum faucets in your EVM wallet, in your MetaMask, so that's what you will be needing to bridge from Mango and from ETH, that's your MetaMask to Mango. You need some You need some of this mango. And there's a website where you can claim this. The website is this. Look at it. I think I have it here. Look at it. cloud.google.com. This is where you can claim your mango, your Ethereum sequoia. So you have the opportunity of claiming this thing every 24 hours. So you'll be given 0.05 sequoia ETH. Let's do it together so you can see what I'm saying. So I've not claimed for today. So I'm just going to copy my wallet address here. I'm going to copy it. See, I copied it, then come here, I paste it, paste my wallet, then click on receive 0.05 sequoia ETH. This is free. You can see that your testnet token are on the way. This may take a few moments. See, they're already sending it. And I think before you can do this, you need about 0.001 ETH. That's roughly $1 worth of ETH in your wallet, like original ETH, not the test token, not the testnet token. You need original ETH, 0.0, about $1 worth of it in your wallet before you can be able to claim this. So make sure you have it. Otherwise, you can just ask someone to assist you, right? Okay, if you need, maybe you could just leave it in this comment section. If you need this ETH sequoia, this testnet ETH, just leave it in the comment section. I can just drop your wallet there. I will send. Once I send, I will let you know I've sent it. Otherwise, you can just come to the Mango Discord and then ask for some person. Just plead with them. Some kind-hearted persons can always send it to you. So that's the first thing. The second one is that you also need some BNB FAUCET. You need some BNB FAUCET so you can bridge from BNB back to Mango. And to do that, there's a place where you can as well claim this. This is you go to bnbchain.org. This is where they claim the BNB FAUCET. This is where you can claim the BNB FAUCET. So all you have to do is just to paste the same wallet address here, the same EVM wallet address, then click on send 0.3 BNB, 0.3 BNB. They send it every 24 hours. But to do this as well, you need about $1 worth of BNB. That's 0.001 worth of BNB. Original, not the testnet. Okay, so here, click the image that best match the theme of the simple images. This is writing. Okay, happy music. Okay, so we have piano, 2 pianos here. That looks like a music or something. So let's hope I'm correct. I hope I'm correct. So it's still verifying. Beautiful. Think I'm correct. Okay. So they will send it to me now. See, you got 0.3 BNB. You can request for another BNB in 24 hours. So you can always make request of this every 24 hours and they will be sending it to you. So they've sent it to my wallet. This is not real, mind you. It's just for you to be carrying out these testnets. It's for carrying out testnets. Okay. So meanwhile, I'll be leaving the link. All these links so far, I'll be leaving them at the description section of this video. So make sure you scroll down so that anyone you want, you can always go there and then access it. You can always follow me on my X, that's my Twitter account. I'll also be linking it somewhere in this video so you can connect with me because daily I share airdrop updates. This is Web3, this is hustle, full-time hustle. So you can always connect with me the way I share daily updates on what is happening in the Web3, especially when it comes to airdrop. And then occasionally we also do some trading, but we focus mainly on BTC because of the unpredictedness of altcoins. So we focus basically on BTC. All right, guys. So if you like this content, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Hop in our Telegram community. The one for trading and then the one for Web3 hustle. So that will be all until I come away again. I remain your man, Mr. Sulu Baba. Ciao.